Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this episode we are going to see how we can incorporate or embed the new Microsoft form which is available in Microsoft list into any of the SharePoint page directly. So to do that, right now I am in my developer account and open up one of my demo list called employee data, and in this employee data list I am going to create a new form providing it a name as employee data, and I'm going to select all of the columns which are available inside this list. So as I have already shown in my previous video how we can work with these different type of options available for this Microsoft Forms. For example, how we can show or hide fields, how we can change the theme, the setting and all of stuff. I will provide a description or the link for that video somewhere in the description box or in the video. So for this particular demo I'm not going to update any of the values in these fields. Clicking on the send form and then copy a link. So the link has been copied. If I go and open up the link in the next tab, I will be able to see the form which I can fill up to insert a data into my Microsoft list. So the next step what we want to do is we want to put this page into the SharePoint page as an embed link or the embed control. So the next thing what we want to do is we want to have this employee data Microsoft form inside the SharePoint page. To do that, what I will do is I will go into my default chain page. Let me just go and refresh the page and will create a new site page, and I am going to provide this name for this my page as employee data, and let me change the background. Let's see this one. Okay, and from here what we have to search is for the embed control. Okay, so I have already copied this link, so I'm just right click and going to paste this and see what will happen. Let me just copy this link one more time and paste it in here, and as I left the focus, I will receive this error which says this website doesn't support embedding using just the address. What we have to do is we have to connect a list or library or use the embed code. So when we see a embed code, it means an iframe. So what I can do is I can just copy this link one more time, and here I have one dummy iframe, and in the source of this iframe I can have my link, and I can provide the height as 500 and width as 500. Now I will copy this iframe, and instead of this direct link I will paste this iframe in here, and as you can see my page of Microsoft form has been rendered here. Let me just go and publish this page, and as you can see from here I can now fill out my Microsoft form, and this is very dynamic form. So let's say I just go, it's very dynamic form. So let's say I just go in this employee data and make some customization. For example, I want this theme to be something like this, and I want to make this full name as the first column the form. So the save changes has been saved, and when I just go and refresh the page, you will notice those changes are reflected here. The full name is here and the background has already been changed. Okay, so this is very useful when we want our users to use the SharePoint page as the input form for the Microsoft list itself. I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.